just you.
Hey guys, I'm Tapos Groove and today, yes, I'm finally back from the nether. That took a long time to find my way back home because I was stranded in the middle of nowhere. So today, I'm going to use TNT and beds because I don't have lots of TNT to find ancient debris so that I get full netherite armor because I really want that. I want to be kit and overpowered. So let's get going, I guess. Oh yeah, I had to even put mending on my pickaxe because it nearly broke trying to find my way back. So yeah, just kill a few mobs without the armor and heal that up I guess for a while, and I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Ouch, ouch. That was really slow, Tanush. Good job. Eat some of this because I'm not very feather falling over. Totally forgot, man. That would have killed me if I didn't know. Okay, I should be careful next time. Okay. Uh, yeah. Hi, I'm your friend. So I started mining over here. Yeah, over here. Perfect. This is going to be a long ride, guys. A really long trip. Oh wait, quartz. Give me. Actually, I'll take it because I need to heal my pickaxe. And I've heard quartz gives you a stupid amount of levels. What? Guys! No! This is what? I just found ancient debris behind quartz. this this is so stupid. Let's go. I don't care if it's one. I just found ancient debris while trying to find just find quartz for fun. Bro. No, no, I need those. I need that ancient debris. Um, that is so stupid. That's. I heard they're most common on like Y15, but they also found other levels, right? So yeah, I guess you got lucky. And shoot him with my bow. Let's go. I hope I find ancient debris here. Ooh, it didn't blast everything, but I still found ancient debris. Let's go. Okay, ancient debris found already. Good job. At least now I have enough for one chest plate. Any other here? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay. Hold your shield. I can hear pigs dying again. Why? Okay. That's another big hole. Okay. I use my bow and oh wait. Oh come on. I knew that was gonna happen. Let's go. More ancient debris, even though I didn't mean to find it. Okay. Mine this slowly. Okay. Oh, there's two more. Let's go. How many do I have now? Four. I'll have two more at home, so that's seven.
Wrong.
This will be eight.
You need to just stop.
If I get like three more pieces, I'll be able to get almost full armor. Today I'll go for full leatherite armor because who wouldn't? This is working like a charm. Um, I came from there. Okay, so to go up, dig a bit, and Yup, put TNT right there. Last was the chop, right, guys? Let's go. Show me the goods. Come on, TNT, you can do this. Let's go. It actually did show me the goods. That was a big blast. Wait, there was more TNT behind that. Seriously? I did know that. Okay. Two more pieces. Let's go. Okay. I have six right now. I have two at home. So this will. Wait. There's another TNT there. Okay. I have not finished with my TNT yet. So yeah. One piece. I got that. Okay. Two piece. Let's go. Yes, I got two pieces. Okay. So just throw this gravel out. Take that TNT. Yup. I'll use this last TNT to get lucky again, I guess. So come on, TNT. Oh, it actually did show. Let's go. Huh, nice. TNT is doing some work. Slowly. Okay. One more piece down. Any more here? Nope, doesn't look like it. Let's go. Any luck here? Oh, let's go. Was right behind the fire. Okay. Oh, come on. I cancelled it. Yes, let's go. Any more pieces? Oh, what? Okay. One more above my head hiding from here. Okay. I don't care. Fall gravel. If there are three pieces here, nope, only one. Whatever. We still got two pieces this time, which is great. So that's a win. Actually, a piglet. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh. Fire resistance potion. Bro, that lava pocket scared the hell out of me. I have to do this fast because this is for how long? Okay, it's only for 2 minutes. Okay, at least it saved my life. Bed, back. Oh no, I'm low on health. I'm low on health. Just have to eat this, I guess. Or I could go back, but I have 11 pieces. And I have two at home. I just need one more. No, two more. I just need two more. Please. Let's continue, I guess. and wish that we don't die, cause I don't want to die. Come on, okay. I can't even shoot the best like I shot the TNT, so this is risky. So I'm going far. Place the bed there. Block. Don't kill me. Shit, no. It might kill me. No, no. Oh shit. Oh no. Um. Okay. Not bad. Nothing bad happened. I just have to wear some iron armor and some gold armor and I have to go. Like right now. There, there. Go. Oh, okay. Half a heart. Half a heart. Okay. I didn't even get any blocks. I'm so dumb. Okay. Um. Okay. No worries. No worries. I can go back up slowly somehow. I can break this. That's a block. Hush. Okay. At least these are blocks I can break. Um. Take this. Okay. Go fast, Thanush. Come on, come on, come on. Eat another golden apple because I don't care. I don't care. Okay. Run, run, run. Nope, nope. Not doing this, not doing this. Stop running behind me, please, 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 please. Oh no, oh no. Totem, totem, totem. It's all on you, it's all on you. Totem, please save me. Oh,
Bruh.
I just used my totem for no reason, okay. I don't care. My stuff. Oh, yes, my stuff. Let's go. Oh, okay. No, wait, wait, no. Armor first. Armor, no. Take off this armor. That totem saved me and I got a achievement for totem of undying. Okay. That was much more hectic than I thought. That was scary. Wait, there's ancient debris here too. Okay. Uh, Not all is dead, my friend. I think my bed's burnt, but not of any of my important stuff. Yes, all my stuff is alive. Hush. This is the last bed I'm trying. You know what? This is the last bed I'm trying. I'm just going really far. Going to place that live bed there. Oh, please not glitch mouse. Please not now. Uh, please, 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 please. Okay, last piece acquired. Okay, now I have to be so careful while going back. Okay. Okay. Pickaxe dot break, please. Please. Okay. Oh, oh, I really want these two pieces also now. Okay. One last piece. Come on. Okay. One last piece. Please. Please don't break. Please don't break. Hush. Okay. We got 15. Let's go. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Let's go. Um. Now all I have to do is wear gold boots, yeah, and go back without falling. Remember, without falling, or else I'm dead. This was too risky of a trip, but that's the problem, I guess. I just hope it doesn't become costlier if I put ancient debris. Sorry for killing you. Come on, I'll actually lost all that gold. Yup, I did lose that gold, huh? Okay. So I have 17 in total. That'll make me 4 pieces of netherite ingots. So yeah, now I need more gold. Do I really need to go back? Like seriously? With table, let's go. And 11 gold, not bad. So I need to make a shield. And by this part of the house, place this here. Oh, it's finally happening. Okay, I should wait. Oh, yeah, right. I have to put this for. Oh, come on. Seriously, where is it? Is it there? Yeah, it's there. Okay, half here, half here. And I don't care, take this coal. Okay, let's start the process. Oh, again, yeah. Oh, it's because of the gold. I have enough netherite. Okay, we'll do that. Wait, I have a few more gold ingots, right? Yes, I would just still have to make 4. Okay, wait, I should be able to make. No, I only get 1 ingot. I need 4. Oh, okay, whatever. I'll make that later. I think. I guess. First piece. La 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 la. Yes. Subscribe. You're leveling up. Let's go. Wear that up. Let's go. I'm shiny. Yeah. Now the second piece of armor should be my leggings. Okay, should I do my helmet and yeeter because they deserve it much more actually. Yes, boys, let's go. And my helmet. Yes. Look at me. Look shiny. And I look really chunky. Oh, whatever. At least I really have full leatherite armor now. So, guys, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next because I'm open for some ideas. And soon I will be going to fight the Ender Dragon. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. So, bye, guys.